Welcome back. Caculo Goans are the new team in Goa Cricket Association's GPL this year. With this team, the Caculo group is venturing into the topmost cricket competition in the state. Manoj Caculo, the chairman and managing director of the Caculo group, is ambitious about his team's prospects. Nothing less than a place in the finals on March 6th will satisfy the Caculos.
Thinking of the future today is Caculo Group's tagline. Recognizing the cricketing talent in the state, Caculos have now ventured into Goan cricket arena with an eye on the future.
One of the main reasons why we wanted to, we got into this Goa professional league is basically try to support the Goan cricketing fraternity, because we feel that there is a huge talent in Goa, and if there was something little we could do to help them grow and show their skills at the national level, we thought we could try something. That is how we are into the GPL with Caculo Goans. What is very important part of it when we were designing the whole stuff was that we wanted a name which can be related by the Goans, and that is how the kind of messages, mails that we are getting is from people from a lot of Goans from the Gulf also are sending in mails and messages to us that this is like getting the Goan brethren together, and everybody is relating to the team Caculo Goans. Undoubtedly, we want to play on the 6th.
Yeah.
I think if you ask me the ambition, that's it. And then it is that what happens on that day. But I have confidence in the team that we have selected, because we had our managing people who are like very experienced, and besides being experienced, the enthusiasm that was there, that we tried and selected the best team, and I'm sure we are going to put the best efforts on that day, and obviously we'll try and be victorious on the 6th of March.
Have you decided your captain?
Yes, Swapnil Asnorkar will be our captain of Caculo Goans, who will be leading us hopefully to lift the cup.
Caculo Goans coach Prashant Kakode is confident of building a team capable of making it to the final in the debut season.
What was been required, what we had been played, as Manoj rightly said, like for the auction, the way we went, we got the best players. As we get to hear from other franchises also, this year we are going to see many good outstation players. So as he said, the Caculos will be playing on 6th.
Was Swapnil Asnorkar your priority player that you wanted to buy?
See, there were 3 people, one among them was Swapnil, and we were happy that we bought him.
In Goa, it's like mostly people are crazy about Sagun and Swapnil when it comes to GPL. So was it like, if not Sagun,
as you are aware that Sagun's name came first, and then he went up to 4 lakhs. And then second option,
you guys were bidding for it.
We guys were bidding, but then we had planned certain things. So it was, then we went for Swapnil, and we got him. We were happy that we have him.
Catholics observed Ash Wednesday to mark the beginning of Lenten season. Lenten season is the period of penance and repentance of sins. Priests inscribe ash on the foreheads of the faithful. Ash Wednesday reminds of Jesus Christ having spent 40 days fasting and praying in the desert, where he was tempted by Satan.
Today is the Ash Wednesday because the season of Lent begins in the life of our faithful. This season of Lent is a preparation for the greatest feast of our faith, feast of the risen Lord, and therefore we have got these 40 days of preparation for Easter.
Remember that you are dust, and in dust you shall. Remember that you are dust, and in dust you shall return. Remember that you are dust, and in dust you shall.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.